Okay, so today we're gonna remove the engine sump from the R32 engine. In our last episode, we tried to get the engine and gearbox lined up inside the T5 transporter, but we could not get it there because the engine sump is touching against the subframe over here on this corner here by the bend. So the best is we figured is let's get the engine sump removed so we can get the clearance, and hopefully that will help us to get the engine and gearbox lined up into its correct position on the T5 transporter. So let's quickly try that. We're going to remove the sump, and then we'll try again a second trial to get the engine into its position. First thing, we got engine oil that we need to drain out of the engine. Okay, let's get the oil out. There we go. Okay, engine oil coming out. Once the oil is out, then we can check this engine up on the hoist, and then we can start removing all the oil sump balls. Okay, all the oil is out. Let's quickly put this back. Okay, that's on. Almost loose. Let's see. Go. Let's just see this pickup. Okay, engine sump is out. So now we can try our luck and see. Maybe I think we should take this pickup off for safety because it's plastic, in case, when we're fitting the engine in, to make sure nothing catches, doesn't get knocked. Yeah, you understand? So I think let's do that. We remove it. It looks like some splines. Pass me the LED light quick, we check. Let's see. Looks like splines. You got a clot. Yeah, it's a normal Torx. So all the excess oil that's hanging here, let's just catch all of it here. Is that a 30? Yeah. It is a 30. These things are loose, man. That's weird, eh? So loose. Wow. Sure. It's not even torqued. I don't understand. Let's try this one. Okay. There we go. Just put that on the table for us. So we just want to clean this up quickly, get all the oil off, and it looks like we're good to go. So what we'll do now is we lower the car and try and get the engine and gearbox fitted again second time around. Hopefully we can manage to get it aligned. Let's go, MS.
Okay.
Let's go.
Are we all clear?
Yeah. Let's try and get it as low as possible, right?
All right.
Okay. That's fine. Standing on the wheels.
Okay.
All right, so we're gonna try and get this back into the T5. Let's check the engine up again.
Yeah. Oh, watch out, yeah.
Checking it. Let's just turn it around like that.
I think we need to drop the engine a bit.
The gearbox went past already, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, drop it slightly. Slowly. Okay, hold on. Let's push the whole crank in. Push it in. Go. Again. Okay. Okay, hold on. That's fine. Okay. How are we looking? Got it done. Let's just get this out here. Okay, lower it a bit. And get the other jack in on that side. Let's try and get the jack in on that side.
Yeah.
This is where we needed our smaller jack.
Yeah, this one is difficult to move around.
So there's the problem when people don't return your stuff.
Yeah.
Now we sit with a struggle here. I think we must just buy us a new one.
Yeah.
A small one.
Compact.
Yeah. Just tell me, can I jack so long?
Yeah, jack.
Let's go. That's helping it already. Better?
Much better.
Much better, eh? There we go. So I think the engine crane should drop a bit. Very slight. Let's go down.
Okay.
Go slowly. Slowly. Go. 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 Keep going. Hold on. Okay, that's fine. Now what we need to do is lower this jack a bit. It's not catching.
Oh no.
Okay. How's it there?
I think it's catching on the subframe.
On the subframe.
Think so?
It's on the subframe.
Yeah, the gearbox.
Okay. Let's see. Yeah, we need to move a lot forward. Back. The bottom of the engine needs to move back. So yeah, here it's on the subframe, but we have clearance at the back, so we can move forward. Back. Let's push this deeper in. The jack. Drop this jack for us. The red one.
The red one.
So yeah, the problem is These two jacks are jammed up together, the wheels. Got to separate the wheels of the two jacks. Go down. Okay, hold it. Let's get the wheels away so that you can jack it up separate. Go deeper there, right? Jack it up there.
Tighten it first.
We're gonna need space. It is tight.
Okay.
We're gonna need space to push this back. Now we gotta push the jack back. Ready? Push the jack in.
The main one.
The red one.
The red one.
1, 2, 3. Let's go. 2, 3. Is it going?
Yeah.
How much did it go? Hold on. So the back is also touching here on the subframe of the gearbox. Let's see on that side. How far are we? See, here we're against this. Okay, so our R32 trial alignment fitment of the engine and gearbox into the T5 is still not 100% successful. We got a problem. The DSG gearbox is really big. So from our previous conversion which we done on our T5, we used the manual gearbox. It was a bit smaller, so it was easier to line up on the passenger side. In this one here, it looks like we got issues again with the subframe. What we'll do now is we need to get us a smaller trolley jack. So unfortunately, we don't have our small trolley jack. This big trolley jack is really a complication to shift around. It's a battle and a struggle. So we're going to try and buy us a smaller trolley jack to help us with aligning this better. And then that should help us to see exactly what's going on this side between this DSG gearbox and subframe to get the lining up right. And then after that, we can then at least start planning for the engine mountings. So for now, yeah, we're tired again. Like I said, trial number 2 is a failure, unfortunately. Let's see in trial number 3 how it goes. But please remember to like and subscribe and also share, and we'll see you in our next episode.